Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Deja Wanjiku, and today, damn, I'm back again with another video, guys. And today's video, we are gonna be doing a DIY. So stay tuned and see what we're gonna be making today. First of all, guys, I'm so grateful, guys, for everyone who has subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much for 500 subscribers, guys. I'm so thankful from the bottom of my heart, guys. I'm thankful. It's been a long journey. Yeah, it's been a journey full of discouragement, full of quitting, coming back, but now we ain't quitting anymore, guys. So thank you so much for each and every person who took their time to subscribe to my channel. And please, if you have subscribed to my channel, please watch my videos. Y'all, the subscribers are encouraging, but the views, them, they're discouraging, but we ain't giving up, guys. So please watch my videos if you have subscribed, and if you know of people who you can tell them to subscribe to my channel, guys, please subscribe. Please encourage us to continue doing more content by subscribing and watching, and I will be so grateful, guys. So as I've said, today we are doing a DIY, and there's this top I've been wanting to have, and I thought, why not make the top for myself? Because it's not hard. According to my thinking, it's not hard to make it. So today, that's what we're gonna be making. Let me first show you how the top look when it's like the initial look of the top. The initial look of the top. That's how my top is looking like. It's a pull neck, a cropped, and yeah, and I love the hands. That's how the hands look like. They're up, and that's the back of the top. Yeah, I wanted to do this with a pull neck top. That's why I chose this top. Yeah, though I've never worn it, I just hope it won't backfire, because if it backfires, it will be a loss, because I've never taken any picture with this top. I have never literally worn it. Yeah, I just wanted to wear it in a new look. So let's head straight to the business. First thing, okay, I have my measuring tape and this chalk. So the first thing I'm going to do, I want to measure both sides 4 inches. This side we have in 4 inches. After measuring the 4 inches, I want to mark this point. Why is this chalk not working? So yeah, I hope I can see there. So that point, and then the other side I will measure 4 inches too. 4 inches, mark where we're having the 4 inches point. Yeah, mark there. Yeah, like that. Straighten this to the end, and then from this point I want to like take it to like 7 inches there, and mark this point where we're having the 7 inches. I'll do the same to the other side, 7 inch. So after doing that, now I will join this. Join that. I don't know if you can see, guys, but for me it's a bit clear. And the other side, join that. Yeah, I can see. So after doing that, guys, now I want to form a curve. So I don't know what's gonna happen here because I want to form a curve. So I think we are going to take 6 inches from this point, divert it like that to 6 inches. So up to there, because I don't want it to then cut sana. So the other side, I will slant it like that and slant it. Okay, guys, I'm not good in this, but I'm just trying to do what I think I know. So we have those 2 points, there. So I'm gonna try and curve the 2 points. At 7 inches. So you have something like that. Mbona hii side inakaa kubwa kuliko? Let's measure this length, because this side looks bigger than the other side. What length is this? This is still 4 inches. Yeah, let's measure the other side. No, this is not 4 inches, so we need to make them like 4 inches, both of them. There. So this cut needs to come this point. So let's do this, guys, because I wouldn't want it one side to be longer than the other one, like to be a bit deeper than the other one. So yeah, we are doing that. What are we cutting? We are cutting this one. Let me try removing the other ones. This is not needed. This is not needed. And the outer one is not needed. So we are focusing on this, whatever we have made here. Yeah, that's what we're focusing on for today. It's not straight, but it's okay. It's not a big problem. So I'm going to cut this part. This is the back part. I'm going to cut it. Yeah. What I was doing was to guide me in cutting because I wanted to do it perfectly. So we are just gonna follow the chalk lines, yeah, and cut it neatly. I'm just following the chalk lines, and I don't want to be fast because I mean I could be fast and do it wrongly, and I don't want that. So then we cut the upper part. So this is what we're having, guys. By now I think you can have an idea of what I want this top to become. Yeah, I want to go to a tailor and she hems it for me like that, hems it and leaves space where I can pass through a string. So I want her to go and hem it all around for me. Yeah, leaving a space, enough space where I can pass a string. Yeah, and when it's hemmed, guys, I will be back to show you what we're having and what we're doing with our top. To the fundi na akanihemia, so you see it's hemmed, nemiacho shimo. You can see there's a shimo big enough, there's a hole big enough to enter this string. So this string I got it from one of my tops, these tops that normally have crisscrosses in on the front part. This is where I got this string because I no longer wear that top. I got this string and we're now going to put it in here. Yeah, and I'm going to show you guys after I'm done putting in the string and show you when I'm wearing it. So yeah, stay tuned, guys. I'm back and guess what? No disappointments here. We don't disappoint out here. The top turned out to be so dope. Like, I'm so excited, guys. Let me show you real quick. So this is the front part. The front part just remained the same. Let's see the back, guys. It's the back for me. Guys, look at that back. Look at that back. Oh my god. Y'all, I am super excited. Like, damn. I'm so excited, guys. It did work. Like, yeah, it's so amazing. Just look at it. Look at it. Look at that top. Baby, I'm gonna be lying to people I got it from fashionnova. But you all know I made it. So damn, this was so fun doing it, guys. Like, doing something and getting good outcome, it's so fun. Inside the top, guys, I'm wearing my backless bra that I taught you how to make it from one of my DIY videos. So if you have not watched that video, guys, go watch it so that you can learn how to make a backless bra. You'll see how it looks good with this top, because I mean you cannot sit in the back and I have a bra in front. What else do you want? So yeah, that's it, guys. It costed me 50 shillings to hem the top from the fundi. Yeah, she charged me 50 shillings and that's so fair. I'm so excited, guys. So please make yourself such a cute top. You have seen how simple it is. It's not even hard. I'm just super excited, guys. So that's it for this video, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. See you on my next video, guys. to more DIYs. Love you so much. Mwah!